The year 2020 has brought one of the biggest paradigm shifts in the history of planet Earth. The economy of the entire world is about to go into a major tailspin that will eclipse the Depression of 1929 and the financial crash of 2008. Billions of companies have crumbled and millions have lost their jobs worldwide, and pension funds in various industries have been totally wiped out overnight. My name is Sinclair. So a little bit about me. I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and I currently live in Accra, Ghana. If you're like the majority of people who watch this presentation, you're probably interested in a viable way to supplement your income. After my business failed because of the pandemic, I had to restart from zero. In April of 2020, I was invited to be part of this community that has created multiple profit centers for people all across the world. Now, this is not for everybody. You first have to understand that you will have the capability to make a significant amount of money in a relatively short period of time. This is by invitation only, so if you qualify and if you're coachable and if you're willing to commit at least 30 to 90 minutes a day for the next 6 months, this is certainly an opportunity for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the Roadmap to Wealth in 2020. Before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, let me read this disclaimer that I will ensure every effort has been made to accurately represent this product, its service, and its potential. Earning potential is entirely dependent on the person using our ideas, products, and techniques, and is not to be interpreted as a promise or a guarantee of earnings. We suggest doing your due diligence before entering into this or any business opportunity. I'm going to share with you a company called Epic. Think of Epic as a place where you can discover how money works and how you can get the tools that you need to make money work for you. You will have exclusive access to millionaire mentors and business leaders that have helped thousands of people across the world to become free of financial concerns. The company is based in the United States and it is available anywhere in the world as long as you have access to the internet and a smartphone or computer.
The real problem of this crisis started back in 1904 when the richest guys on earth took over the education system in the United States. They formed a thing called the General Education Board. It was formed by guys like Rockefeller and J.P. Morgan. And what they pulled out of education was financial education. And so the reason they could rip us off, as you and I know, is via the mechanism of money. And that's why I wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Our primary education model is around Forex. And when many people hear Forex, they get all confused and they run away because they really don't understand what it is. Well, here is your first Forex lesson in 2 minutes.
Forex refers to the FX or foreign exchange market, and it's the place where you can trade currencies from all over the world. When you trade Forex, you buy one currency and sell another. You always buy and sell at the same time, which is why currencies are always quoted in pairs. Various factors such as economics and geopolitics mean that exchange rates fluctuate, so currencies rise and fall against each other. By forecasting the direction currencies are likely to take, you have the opportunity to make profit. So, you might decide to buy the euro and sell the US dollar, anticipating that the euro will rise versus the dollar. You buy a number of units of euros for your dollars, and your forecast proves correct, and the euro does rise. So you close your trade and make a profit. Remember though, if you are wrong and the euro falls against the dollar, you will lose money. Forex trading is full of opportunities. It is the largest and most liquid market in the world, trading over $5 trillion every day. This high liquidity makes it easy to buy and sell currencies. Forex is also a global market. It starts after 6 a.m. Sydney time and ends 5 p.m. Friday in New York, meaning you can trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And because the Forex market is influenced easily by world economic and geopolitical events, this volatility creates lots of short-term trading opportunities.
Trading on the Forex market is very risky, so it's highly recommended that you don't venture into this market unless you have a mentor that can teach you in a way that is convenient and comfortable so that you can understand how to trade and win. Most mentors charge about $500, and that could be per hour, per class, or per month. Or you can buy a book or go on YouTube and try to learn it yourself. And even Harvard University and many other universities are now realizing that Forex is a new trend, so they're offering this course for $3,600 for 6 weeks. Remember when people refused to get on social media because they thought it was a passing trend? Now, more than ever before, social media has become an integral part of our lives. So don't you wish you could go back 20 years and buy stock on Facebook and Google? Now, you have the opportunity to ride into the future with a company that will give you the advantage over those people who decide not to become part of it. As the saying says here, success is knowing where the future is going and getting there first. And Forex is the business of the future. You also have the opportunity for someone to hold your hand and show you around the biggest market in the world. And Epic is about to release some revolutionary products and services that will give you another major advantage in this world of online business, but you have to be part of the team. To succeed in the Forex market, you need to know when to buy, when to sell, or when to hold. Epic has exclusive access to a group of master traders across the world that are trading millions and billions of dollars, and when they spot a currency pair that looks profitable, they send out real-time trade alerts that go right to your phone. It's giving you three things. It's giving you your entry point, your stop loss, and your take profit. And you can access these trade alerts on multiple devices. All you have to do is copy and paste that information directly into the MetaTrader 4 app, which is free to download. The trade alert looks something like this. All you have to do is enter your stop loss, your take profit, and then you click buy or sell. Take a look. 1.1615, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The take profit, I'm going to do the second take profit, 1.1861. 1.1861. Was this a buy or a sell? This was a buy. This trade was a win of $340, and this is a basic example of what can happen when you enter the trading market with knowing what to do. Keep in mind that past profits do not equal future gains, but this is a really simple way for getting into the market and making money now. You will not win every single trade. However, trade alerts from Epic's team have a 60 to 80% win rate, and as you gain more knowledge, you'll be able to manage these trade alerts and then make even greater gains. So the first part of your journey to wealth is really understanding this trading platform. There are various asset classes such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities, and everything is 100% online, so no matter where in the world you are, you can access this information as long as you have your phone or laptop and access to the internet. You can start with a very simplified way to learn, and you can work at your own pace. And this is a skill set that you will get for life, so no matter where you are, nobody can take this away from you. Our live interactive sessions will happen various times throughout the week. That's when you can follow along with the expert traders as they break down the markets and show you exactly what to do, and you can actually earn while you learn. You'll have a chance to interact with them, ask them questions, just like you're in the live classroom. And these are all recorded and cataloged, so you can access them anytime, no matter where in the world you are. And it makes trading really simple to understand. These market forecasts tell you exactly what's going on in the world and what's going on in the market and how they affect currencies. The world is ruled by politics and economics, and if you have a clue of what's going on, you will know what to trade and what to do. And we have top traders in the industry from all over the world who break down these top currency pairs every week and show you what's influencing and what's not, so you can know how to plan your trading week. Our goal here is to teach you this skill set while helping you to be as profitable as possible in the market. And you certainly cannot get this sort of information from reading books or from watching YouTube videos. We already have a database of over 50,000 people across the world who are waiting to be part of our community. After a trial run of several months, and with the expertise and advice of master traders, software developers, and a support team, Epic will launch in October of 2020 with a group of leaders that have had several years of combined experience running profitable multi-million-dollar corporations in many parts of the world. Epic will offer you a university-level education plus exclusive access to trading experts that have had a track record of unparalleled proficiency and success. All of this will be made available to you for just $99 a month. There is nowhere else on earth that you can get this highly valuable skill with all of these resources for just $99. Before the education platform is officially open to the public, we'll be offering a by invitation only pre-launch package during the month of September. You will be able to lock your position as a founding member of the EPIC community. This pre-launch will give business leaders, new and experienced traders, entrepreneurs, and select individuals exclusive access to test drive this full suite of services for only $19.99. There are only a limited number of invitations available, and you need to meet qualification requirements. EPIC actually integrates two powerful and recession-proof industries that have stood the test of time to create generational wealth. You can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you're sleeping. The first industry is the $6 trillion daily Forex market. The second powerhouse is the $180 billion annually referral marketing industry to give you a passive residual income that pays you every week. Here are the three main pathways to wealth with EPIC. The first way is $99 gives you full access to the educational platform and expert mentorship. Once you do this, everything else is completely optional. However, you can activate multiple profit centers and bring your financial portfolio to truly epic proportions. The second way is if you refer 3 people to join EPIC, your $99 membership is waived and all you have to pay is $24.95 for an IBO or Independent Business Owner license, which allows EPIC to give you full uninterrupted access to the educational materials and training facilities. The third way is to become an affiliate member. Your access to the educational materials is $99 and your $24.95 Independent Business Owner membership allows EPIC to pay you for referring the suite of services to others. To experience EPIC's full suite of services for free, once you pay your $99 for membership, just refer 3 people to join the EPIC community. As long as you maintain 3 active paying customers a month, all you need to pay is $24.95 for an IBO or Independent Business Owner license, which gives you full access to the website, the trade signals, and the expert advisor. Then your $99 membership is waived. If you decide you'd like to take full advantage of EPIC's referral bonuses, our first goal is to help you make $500. As soon as you start your membership and you've paid your $24.95 IBO license, just refer people to one of our online business webinars. We have an extensive suite of marketing materials and business training that will help you convey the value that EPIC has to offer. Keep in mind that all you need is 3 personal referrals so that we can help you get other members on board and find their personal referrals too. Once you have 12 people in your organization, EPIC will pay you $125 a week. At this point, your tuition is no longer free. However, getting paid $125 a week is more than enough to cover your membership and IBO. The rest can be used for trading or bills or whatever you would like. The next level is $1,000 a month. Once you have 3 personal referrals in the organization and 12 people in leg 1, 12 people in leg 2, and at least 6 people in leg 3, then you get paid $250 every week. You can only have 3 personal referrals directly. However, if you have more than 3 people, you can position them anywhere in your organization and help you and others rank up and get paid even higher commissions. The referral bonuses at EPIC go well beyond $100,000 a month. The bottom line is, all you need to do is start just with 3 personal referrals so that you can qualify to get your free membership. I personally have never seen so many people coming together from all walks of life to help each other make money and learn how to grow their money. Take out your phone right now and download the MetaTrader 4 app. It's free. You will need to choose an FX broker because keep in mind that EPIC is not a trading platform. We are an education institution that teaches you how to make money and how to grow your financial portfolio. We show you how to open a demo account so that you can practice what you are learning and so that you can understand how to trade and win. Once you get the hang of that, you can go to the live market and start trading, and most people can accomplish that in as little as 2 weeks. In addition to the opulent lifestyle that it's possible to attain with Epoch, and the rewards that you can qualify for, becoming a member of the Epic community allows us to provide for and inspire thousands of people across the world. Your actions today can start an enormous chain reaction of events that will travel the globe for years, and you will never be able to see nor comprehend the impact you will have on generations of people. All you need to do is plug into the system, and you can start within 24 hours thereafter. Invite 3 people to take this step with you and start using the products, and then be an example of the product.
This week we sit down with Forex trading success story Sandile Shezi. We listen to his journey from baking muffins to becoming a millionaire and the struggles in between.
As young entrepreneurs, we shouldn't plan for the weekend, we should plan for the next generation. And that's the biggest mistake young people make. Our goals are so short, it's actually scary.
Money does not buy happiness, but it has brought more happiness to people than poverty ever has. Don't miss out on this phenomenal ground floor opportunity to acquire a valuable skill that you can use to make more money, plus have the time and the freedom to enjoy it. Get back to the person who referred you to this information to see if you qualify for our pre-launch invitation. Again, my name is Maurice Sinclair, and thank you for watching this presentation.